Beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will install the WordPress again for the subdomain. Definitely for subdomain, if you want to enable the SSL, I think we need a wildcard SSL certificate, so we are not going to purchase it currently. We will do that later, but for now we will just create our website without SSL. So here is our path, which is for directory, and we want to install the WordPress over here. Okay, so let's move to the WordPress package. Go here, click on upload, and then we can drag drop the WordPress simply. In the meanwhile, we will move back. We will go to the SQL databases section. Go to the SQL databases. So I will just name it directory. Create the database. Go back. So if you want to actually install your WordPress directly on the live host, not using localhost, this is the method which I'm just going to show you. And then we will add the user. We have only one user, and here we will add the directory, add it, and we will give all the permissions and click on make changes. So that's great. Then we will just move further. We will check that whether our package is uploaded or not, and it's 100%. But when it will be green, then we will move further, because it should be green, I think, when it's fully uploaded. Now we will have our package here. Let's select it, let's extract it, and we can extract it in the same folder. It is extracted in the WordPress folder, so double click on this, select all the files, move the files, and we'll move the file to the main folder, and we'll move back. And now we have the files here. Now we can go here, we can type directory.passpantv.com, and now we will have the welcome screen for the WordPress. If you will click on continue, if you will click on let's go, we will add the database name. We will add the username. We will add the password. I will just check, and then we will just click on next section, and then we will just click on run the installation. We can add the SEO title, directory, you can say the business, we can add a username for the administrator panel. So I will choose the same username. I think that was admin, and the same password I will use as well. And that's it. We are actually, now we can log in. So remember me, and after adding the password, we just click on login, and here we are. We have the directory domain here, and we have installed the WordPress successfully. In next video we will add the theme, and then we will move further. Goodbye.